If you just moved from Windows to Mac and you're wondering where the menu bar went, don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find it in this video. The menu bar on a MacBook is that fixed strip right at the very top of your screen. It's simply called the menu bar. Let's break down the layout. First, on the far left, you have the Apple icon. Click this to access system tasks like About This Mac, System Settings, App Store, Shutdown, Restart, Lock Screen, and so on. The second part is the App menu. Now, this is different from Windows. On Windows, when you open an app, the menu bar usually sticks to that specific window. But on macOS, the menu bar always stays at the very top of the screen. Even if you shrink an app window, that menu bar stays fixed up top. When you switch apps, the menu bar changes automatically. As you can see right here, I'm currently in Finder, so this is the Finder menu bar. But if I switch over to Spotify, it instantly transforms into the Spotify menu bar. Moving over to the right side, you'll find your status icons, things like battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, control center, date and time, and so on. You can go into your MacBook system settings. If you are using macOS Tahoe, you will see a specific setting menu called Menu Bar. Right at the top, you'll have an option for automatically hide and show the menu bar. You can set it to always hide, always show, or only hide when you're in full screen mode. I hope this video helps you understand exactly where the menu bar is on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.